Hey, what's up everybody, it's Crazy Joe, and this is my 2008 Eastern Ace of Spades. First off, you got ODI long neck grips, like the most comfortable grips ever. I get these lizard skin donuts to make them even more comfortable. I got animal end caps, you know, more red, and I got my dirty hairy brake lever. I got a animal legal cable, because it's better than white one. And I got Eastern Decepticon stem, Eastern integrated headset because my stock bearings are getting kind of worn out. And then I got animal Steve Hamilton pedals and sealed. And then I got Eastern Stealth cranks. And I got a Eastern Medusa light sprocket in red. The stock one's black. It was getting all gnawed up. And I used to have a half-link chain, but it snapped. And I got a KMC drop buster chain. It's supposed to be unstretchable, and it looks pretty cool. It's like red and black, a little greasy. And then it seems like every time I have a KMC chain, it never breaks. But never spray paint a chain. It seems like they always snap. And the bearing in my cog blew out, and I had to get a new one. But as you can see, it's still louder than ever. And I got a premium skull seat. It's pretty sick. It's got skulls and whatnot on there, designs. Had to get a pivotal seat post, so I got animal pivotal one in red. You know, might as well get more red. And I got these Ditech brakes in red. As you can see, they're kind of pink. So that's kind of gay, but you know, it's fine. And I got the Eastern bidirectional rim. And then Odyssey path tires front and back. I like my tires to match. And I got Eastern nitrous forks, Eastern nitrous bars. That's about it. My bike check.